Hello everyone, let me share my daily routine with you. Every day I follow a simple routine. I wake up early in the morning and brush my teeth. Then I wash my face and take a bath. After that, I wear clean clothes and eat my breakfast with my family. I pack my school bag and get ready for school, and I go to the school by bus and attend my classes. At school, I study, play with my friends, and learn new things. In the afternoon, I came back home and eat lunch. Then I take some rest. In the evening, I go outside to play with my friends. After playing, I do my homework and revise my lessons. At night, I eat dinner with my family and then go to bed early to sleep. This is my daily routine. I follow this every day. So, my day is full of learning, fun, and rest. I enjoy my daily routine. Try to speak about your daily routine. Subscribe.